Welcome to the channel. It's your boy G with Jersey Gunners. Thought we'd do something different today than actual just being at the range shooting. I thought we'd show you how to break down the Kimber 2K11. When I first got this firearm, I was looking online to see, any videos on breaking it down, and everyone that did show how to break it down never actually showed the steps. They always made it so difficult to do, doing all these extra difficult steps. So here, we're gonna show you how you do it. First, make sure it's clear, nothing in the chamber, no mag, pointing in a safe direction, okay? Now you do have to cock it and have that hammer back in order to break it down. So now you come here, and as you can see, you see these two notches here? You got the big notch and you got this little notch. You want that little notch back to over here so it'll be easier to get it out. And once it's like that, you hold it like that, go to the other side here, and you push this black tab out to where it starts coming out. It could be a little stiff, but it does work. Your fingers okay. See that? It's starting to come out now. Now you just take this out, boom. That's your pin. You let it go, you pull it off. Now this is what it looks like on the inside. You got your spring and you got your barrel, right? So you take the spring, you push it forward like so to where it's like this, and you turn it counterclockwise to lock the spring in. To now the spring can come up out of there. Then you got the barrel that's still in there. You take this part of it down, lift, and then it should slide right out. And this is what it looks like when it's out. You got your barrel, your spring, your slide, and your frame. And you also got your lock-in pin. Okay? Now to put it back together, it's simple. First you take your barrel, face it this way, make sure that tab is down. You put it in here, make sure it's all the way back, hold it with your finger. The spring, you can see on the spring, see it has this lug here and lug here. They need to be lined up, right? You line it up, you push your tab up into the up position, you push this down and it locks in that way, and then you move your tab to where it's like this here so you can actually see, right? Now you take your frame, hold it upside down, you take your frame, you put it on here, it should snap easily on, then you turn it over. Oh, something wrong here, hold on. Oh, see, that wasn't down in there correctly. Like that. And then like that. Then you take it down like that. Oh, it's giving me a little headache today now that I'm trying to do a video on it, but just be patient. This O-ring has to be up into the O position. Again, let's try it again. You got to keep that O-ring. This O-ring needs to be like that so the pin can actually go inside of it. You take your frame, slide it on. That's what you're looking for when you slide it on. You want it to do that. Now you're looking through this hole Make sure you can see space in there again. And when you're lining it up and you're pulling it back, you see the tab? You want, again, you want the smaller tab, the smaller loop to be lined up here. So you take your pen. Let's make sure she's in. Make sure your barrel stuff is in. Okay, it fell into that position there. Now you take your pen up into that position here. Right like that, to where it's lined up. Up. Make sure the barrel and stuff is back. Like that. It's not lined. Hold on. Make sure it's lined up. Just like that, and it goes right in. Now, what you do is you take your slide, you lock it to the back like this. Slide locked in this position here. Then you take your pen and you turn it to the right to lock it back, and then voila. Do a function test. And there you have it. And there you have it. You know, so many people didn't show you these parts of breaking it down. You got the big loop, and then you got this little loop. That little loop needs to be lined up here to take the pen in and out with that lug nut on the inside of the barrel facing up and clear, so you can actually push your pen through. Clear check. Function check. She locking back. This your boy Jersey Gunners. This your boy Jersey Gunners signing out. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. Peace.